Look at that. Even all the mollies over there in the corner. They ain't nowhere else. They're all over there with Bob. Wolfpack style.
Smack in the center of town.
Oh, yeah, Bob's got him. That dude's fucked.
He won't be able to pay much too.
He's got just his pincher, I think. Most of his legs are gone. Look at all the mollies over there. That's ridiculous. He's got one pincher left, no small legs. Right now, Bob is just macking on his legs. His belly's fat.
I need Mr. Gunderson's help.
He's a dangerous man.
He's more valuable to me than dangerous to you.
Alright, I'll leave you alone for a little bit, Bob. I'll let you go mac all by yourself. Eat him up.
You've got to let him out.